Okay, in this video we are going to be talking about the properties of our alkyl halides or our halos. Okay, so as a refresher, we are looking at our functional group halo. That is going to mean that we are looking at something that contains a halogen. That's what our X here represents. Oops, sorry about that. So that would be a halogen, so that would be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine as part of your organic compound. So again, the functional group is halo. The organic family or molecule type is an alkyl halide. As an example here, you can see that I have a chlorine in this particular compound, so that would make it an alkyl halide. All right, the polarity. In general, these are going to be polar. That is going to vary. Our IMF, or intermolecular force, is going to be a dipole-dipole. The strength is going to depend on which halogen is actually bonded in the molecule. When we are looking at phase changes, so again, we're looking at melting point and boiling point, our hydrocarbons are going to have the lowest melting and boiling points. Our halos are going to have a higher, in general, have a higher melting and boiling point. And then when we are looking at the solubility, these are going to be relatively insoluble in water.